Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the horizontal flash 2 effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effect, Video Effect, Light Effect, and then you're going to find the horizontal flash 2 effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. But first we're going to actually change the ratio of this clip. Okay, so now that we have it, we're going to just scroll through it with the player head, see how it looks. And then we're going to just choose a moment in the clip that we want this effect to be applied to. Now we can check it out right here. Now we can go to the Special Effects tab and we can mess with the blur of the effect, the strength of the effect, glow, range, and speed, and also add keyframes. We have a video on that as well. So let's take a look. Excuse me. I need to mute the video. All right, let's take a look. And there you have it, the horizontal flash 2 effect. If this video was helpful, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.